Hi, welcome back to the best practice at home on hearing and speech disorder. We are working on the session of stage 2, that is on listening, and for the second point, that is on the categories. So I have divided the categories into name, place, animal, thing. So I have places. Can you hold the places? Can you categorize all the places in one place? What is this? Okay, keep it at one place. What is this? Swimming pool. Place. Temple. Place. So all place put together. So animal, keep it together. Yes, animal, keep it together. Things. What are these things? Mirror, spoon and pen. Spoon and pen. And there are names. So I'll be working on names. Places are few. Animal I have picked up 2, and things. So when we start working on name, place, animal, thing, just name can be, the child has to know the name of doctor, name of teacher. He should be able to say when he goes to hospital, I saw a doctor. So what will the doctor do? So give them an explanation. Danvi, could you please listen to it? What will the doctor do? Doctor is testing a baby. Yeah, as is shown, as we see in the picture, the doctor is testing a baby. So doctor will always, what will doctor do? Doctor will test. So he is called as doctor. And can you see a teacher here? What teacher is teaching to children? So teacher is teaching to children. So this is how, like, we have to give a good example with explanation so that they will listen and they'll be able to recall it. So that's about the name. And for the place, probably you can show them the pictures or you can take them to the place. Like I have just picked up few things like temple, swimming pool and the bus stop. Have you been to temple? Have you been to temple any time?
Yeah.
Which temple have you been? Ganesha temple, alright. What do you like in swimming pool? Do you like to splash the water? Do you like to jump in the water? Do you like to swim? That you have to tell me.
I like to jump in the water and swim and play all.
All, you have to. Have you gone to bus stop? Have you seen bus stop?
Yeah.
So do you know the rhymes about the bus? The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round. The wiper on the bus goes yeah. So that's how we will be giving some examples and we'll be talking about their experience when we choose a name, place or animal and thing. So give them the best examples. Like for example, if I say tiger, which animal has stripes on his body? Tiger. Animal has stripes on. Which animal gives us milk? Which animal gives us milk?
People.
Okay. For people, which animal will give milk? Cow. Cow gives us? Yes. So each animal identification has to be briefed or described with the animal nature, and they should be able to listen, or if they are not able to listen or give an interest in it, play with them by showing the toys or making a story. Tiger wants to eat the cow. Tiger wants to eat the cow. At that time you can just explain them how does the tiger look like. How does the tiger look like? Yellow in color, black stripes. So that's how we can give an example of animals. And when we talk about the things, so I have picked up 3 things right now: mirror, spoon and a pen. Do ma'am has pen? Do Rekha ma'am has a pen?
Yeah.
How she does use it? Where she will use it? She can write it on the board with a pen. How will she use it?
In the book.
She can use it on the book. Have you seen the mirror?
Yeah.
There. So do you use it every day?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like mirror? So if I throw it, what will happen? If I make it fall accidentally, what will happen?
Break.
Mirror will break.
This is a glass.
It is a glass, correct. Spoon, what do you do with this? Eat. I eat
With lunch.
lunch. You eat lunch with it. Okay. Alright. So these are the few examples what I gave on this. Probably you can choose another set of things. When we say name, you can use you can try it on driver, postman, carpenter. When we say place, you can choose for beach, airport, any places, market for that. And things can be anything, kitchen utensils or the normal usage, daily usage like soap or any objects which you have at home can be introduced them with the briefing them out. So if you like this information, I would request you to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.